Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover deleted messages in Telegram. Recovering deleted messages in Telegram depends on how the messages were removed and the type of chat you are using. Telegram is a cloud-based messaging platform, but once messages are deleted, recovery options are very limited. As a precaution, click on the three horizontal lines and go to Settings. Then go to Data and Storage. From here, under Save to Gallery, make sure you have toggled everything on. If messages were deleted on only one device, they may still be available on another device where the chat has not yet synced. Checking Telegram on another phone, tablet, or desktop can sometimes help before the deletion syncs across devices. For cloud chats, once messages are deleted for everyone, Telegram does not provide any official way to restore them. Telegram does not keep visible backups of deleted cloud messages, and there is no built-in recycle bin or restore option. In the case of secret chats, recovery is not possible at all. Secret chats are end-to-end encrypted and stored only on one device, so deleting them permanently removes the messages. If you previously exported chats using Telegram Desktop or created a device backup on your phone, you may be able to view older messages from those backups, but only if the backup was created before deletion. That's it. We've covered when deleted Telegram messages can and cannot be recovered and what limited options are available. This depends on the chat type and any existing backups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.